Hi guys! Welcome to our channel Eat, Pray, Love, Travel at nandito tayo sa Twin Lakes ngayon to check on their breakfast buffet. So breakfast here is every day, Monday to Sunday from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. So kung gusto niyo mag-breakfast, pwede naman mag-walk-in. The price is 850 per person. For adult yun na. If you're planning to go here ng weekdays, so dito makakapag-avail kayo ng breakfast buffet kahit weekdays. Kasi the rest, like yung Balay Daco, Rosario, and a lot more, weekend lang sila nagkakaroon ng breakfast. So, let's go! Dress code. So this is the entire breakfast area. Hi, good morning.
Morning, sir.
Rice, scrambled egg, marbled potatoes, rice, early. Mamaya. Individual na tayo, no?
Yeah. Ay, paggawa ko kami kay Kuya na adobo. Omelette.
Sabihin mo na.
Kuya, paggawa ng dalawang omelette.
This one is pork. Pork. Pang takal.
Pakilagyan mo ako ng chili.
Welcome to our channel, April Travel. At nandito tayo ngayon sa Twin Lakes Hotel to check out their breakfast buffet. So breakfast starts at 6 a.m. up to 10 a.m. And ang price ay 850 pesos net per person. If you're not, if the package is not included sa inyong stay here sa Twin Lakes.
Ayun walang mushroom. Sa akin yung walang mushroom. Salamat.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So, we have seen the menu. Power shot?
Yes, power
shot. And by the way, if you're going to check, maganda na ang weather ng Tagaytay today. Thank you, Lord, for that. And I hope everyone is safe. Yeah, I hope everyone is dry and safe sa Manila. And sana ay talagang tuloy-tuloy na tayo makarecover sa calamity na nangyari. So for the meantime, we are going to check our food. These are the food that we got. Mukhang masarap yun.
Alos caldo. Di ba may minsan yan na kinikrave natin?
Lalo na ngayon ang lamig. So arroz caldo talaga.
Try natin yung aros caldo. Nilagyan namin ng chili sauce. Ito yung gusto natin.
Really?
Aros caldo. Na ano, pang Pilipino.
Arroz caldo.
Medyo malamig na lang.
Ang alin? Yung arroz caldo? Agad-agad? Let me see. Oh, ano? Ang sarap na ah.
Yung sarap.
Wait, I'm gonna get some ano. Kasi konti lang yung kinuha ko. Para uminit.
Ang lupit ng sarap.
I like it.
Actually, nagustuhan ko talaga.
This content, guys, is actually based on the request of one of our subscribers. Nakalimutan ko lang yung pangalan. Pinapa-feature niya yung Twin Lakes. So, here it is. Feature na natin. And twice na nagpapa-shoutout si Bike tayo. Hi. Nakakalimutan kasi namin we're not really into parang wala sa system namin.
Hindi pa tayo sanay.
Yeah, actually. Hindi kami sanay na ganun. So, shoutout to Bike tayo. Thank you for always watching our videos. And ayun. We're gonna try their adobo. Siyempre, adobo to eh. So, dami ng kinainan namin breakfast. Alam na namin kung kanino yung masarap na adobo. Sasabihin namin sa inyo sa next video. If you're asking for the best omelette naman, sa Balayda ko.
Na?
Best omelette.
Ayun. Tapos, kung naghahanap kayo ng hardinera o kaya luncheon meat sa Vikings, sa Rosario.
Talaga?
Yung malaking slab.
So yan, depende na yan sa preference niya. So kung adobo dito, we're not gonna say why dito. Dito masarap, authentic adobo. Sa Balayda ko, we didn't like that much na yung adobo kasi medyo parang lasang-lasa mo yung suka. Yeah, oo. Yun, so sa Twin Lakes is the okay na adobo. For us, as compared sa lahat ng inikutan namin for breakfast. And the best omelette is dito sa Balayda ko. For the tapa naman, dito kasi is tapang taal. So, sa iba is beef tapa talaga. Pero masarap yung dito, malambot yung tapa. And ano, then malasa, no?
Baka hindi nila alam ang tapang taal.
Tapang taal is baboy pork.
French toast with honey kanina and then with blueberry.
Ensaymada, mukhang masarap yung ensaymada. Baka mango ensaymada to or something.
Mukhang masarap.
Peach ba to or mango? Ang hinap mag-identify. So guys, we are done eating and ang bill natin ay 850 each net per person. For adult yon for breakfast nila. Breakfast is available ng 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. every day. So if you're looking for an everyday breakfast dito sa Tagaytay, available yan dito sa Twin Lakes. I know naman na everyone or everybody knows kung saan ang Twin Lakes, diba? So, yun. So, breakfast nila is a very simple, parang basic breakfast lang, you know, na meron tapa, may sausage, merong, ano pa ba? Pork, chicken adobo, merong, yung tapa nila is tapang taal, so that's pork, and then may mga, ano tawag dito? May mga fruits, may mga cereal, and everything. So, okay naman siya. May power shot din, so which is actually okay din naman. Cucumber and pineapple. So, overall, okay naman siya for a breakfast. I think if you're going to check in here, kasama yun sa package, yung breakfast nila. So, guys, we are going to check room 1101. This room is located just at the ground floor and nasa around 17,000 ang kanilang rate. Of course, with the view of... Is this open? Oh, that's why. So, meron siyang for senior ramp dito.
Actually, maganda, no?
Yeah.
There's facilities for senior.
Oo. Okay. Thank you, Kian. Okay. So, that is like how much per night?
It's around 17,000 per night po yung ano natin, published rate natin.
Magkano ang range ng mga rooms? Starting from...
Ano po ito? We have a ongoing promotional rate po, ma'am, through our website. Yung po, we have Serenity, ma'am, and this other promo po is online po. You can check our via Agoda po, ma'am, or
okay.
through our website.
So, ang range niya is how much?
It's around, we have 9,900 po, ma'am.
9,000 onwards?
Or sharing package namin, Blissful and Serenity. Yung mga promo po na yun is may mga kanya-kanyang inclusions. It comes with breakfast and then dining credits po.
Okay. Sige. Salamat!
Sige po.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay, room 2207 is a 2BR connecting room. We are going to check it. Okay, thank you.
Yes, pa.
Connecting lang siya. Oh, that's why.
Maganda, no?
Oo, ito yung connecting niya. Pero pwede to individually.
Yes. Pwede
So
po
may
siya.
sala. This is another room lang.
Yes po, it's a 2 bedroom suite po, ma'am.
Okay.
Tapos, and po, ito po yung sa, bali 2 double beds po yung
Nandito.
sa B po. And then
Sige.
ito naman po yung king bed po.
Okay, we'll check this out. So may sala. Area. King bed. Of course, may access pa rin sa view. TV. May mga side lamps and electric. Oh, nice. So, dito sa room na to, may CR din. But with bathtub. Complete toiletries, hair dryer, maybe and of course may mga cabinets with safety box and all. We can check that.
Sa kabila na po yung dahil.
Ah.
Sa nakalak po yung...
So since nakalock siya yung access, is this free?
Yes po.
So kasama yan, complimentary. Okay, there's a powder room here. So lipat tayo sa kabila. 2207B. So A and B siya. Thank you. So this is the other room. With bathtub also. And then merong mini bar. Oh, this one is double, twin bed. And of course, meron ulit view. Which is so nice. This one is how much?
It's around 50,000 per night po. Yung
Sorry?
50,000.
50
Yes.
per night.
The 2-bedroom siya.
Yes po.
Ah, okay.
Bedroom suite na po siya. And then, good for per person na po yung
Okay.
allowed natin.
Pag nag-exceed ka ng additional person,
It's additional 2,000 po.
2,000.
Comes with bed and breakfast na rin po.
so lahat, dito ba sa Twin Lakes, automatic kapag nag-book ka ng room, may breakfast na o may option kapag...
Ano po, yung ibang, it depends po dun sa mga makukuha nating package.
Oo.
Ah.
Sometimes po, may yung ibang mga package natin with breakfast na rin po. And then, yung iba po is room only.
Accommodation.
Yes po,
okay.
accommodation lang po.
Okay. Kian, thank you very much for assisting us.
No problem.
So, kung pupunta kayo dito sa Twin Lakes, look for Kian. Salamat! To check on the facilities or amenities. Meron sila nito, salo-salo. 3 to 5 packs na.
Okay.
Okay. Guys, they also offer shuttle from 9 a.m. to
9 p.m. po.
9 p.m. If you're going to
Shopping village po.
Sa taas.
sa taas, okay.
Robinsons. Another mga...
Ah,
restaurants
okay.
po. Ito po, we have dito po.
So, papanik lang siya and then ano, mga how long yan?
Every hour po ma'am
Every
yung
hour.
ano natin, yung shuttle natin. Dun sa yung pick up po nila dun sa taas is may interval lang tayo ng 5 minutes po.
Okay, may free
sa mga,
shuttle.
sa mga pick up po.
Okay, salamat Kian. Thank you.
Salamat
Okay.
po.
Bye-bye. So, that's it guys. I hope na may nakuha kayong information for Twin Lakes regarding room amenities and prices. Of course, yung breakfast din nakasama. And of course, huwag nyo kalimutan yung aming new Klook promo code. It's EPLT Klook to avail 5% discount on hotel and activities here in Twin Lakes. And you can use that 5 times. Bye guys. Thank you for watching.